Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best DIY lip gloss kit is probably one of the most exciting and creative ways to express your personal style and have fun experimenting with different colors, flavors, and textures, allowing you to create unique lip glosses tailored to your preferences and ensure that only the finest ingredients touch your lips, without exposing yourself to unknown chemicals or artificial additives found in many commercial brands. Number 5. Lip Gloss Kit, 6 tubes. Have you ever wanted to create your own custom lip gloss shades? Now you can with our easy-to-use kit. It's the perfect way to express your creativity and have fun. This kit includes 6 tubes, so you can experiment with different colors and finishes. It's a complete kit, ready to use right out of the box. With 5 specialty mineral pigments, you can mix and match to create endless lip gloss possibilities. They're vibrant and long-lasting. This kit is made with pride in the USA, using only the finest ingredients. You can trust that it's safe and effective. It's so easy to use, you'll be creating gorgeous, custom lip glosses in minutes. Share your creations with friends and family. This kit is more than just a product, it's a chance to explore your creativity and make something truly unique. Let your imagination run wild. What we like. This kit is made in the USA with high-quality ingredients. If you value quality and want a variety of colors, this is the perfect choice for you. It's great for those who want to experiment with different shades and create unique lip glosses. What people say. The directions were simple to follow and it took very little time to make the gloss. It was hydrating and the colors were beautiful. It wasn't sticky and it stayed on even after 3 cups of coffee. The lip gloss came out amazing and has worked so far. The pigmentation, the feel is just wow. I absolutely love this set. I created my business off of this set. It was completely easy to use, completely functional, and completely easy to use. It comes with great colors to start with. Number 4. Purple Ladybug Lip Balm Kit. Create 10 high-quality lip balms with this DIY kit. It's a fun and creative way to make personalized gifts for friends. It uses only beeswax, shea butter, and olive oil. You can feel confident about what's on your lips and skin. Experiment with different ingredient ratios and enjoy the process of making your own lip balms. It's science in action. This complete kit includes everything you need: ingredients, containers, tools, and even flavor options. It's ready to go. Give the gift of a fun DIY activity that teaches science and leaves them with a beautiful, useful product. It comes in an attractive gift box. What we like. It uses all natural ingredients, making it a safe and healthy option for kids. If you're looking for a fun and educational activity for children, this kit is perfect for a creative and educational experience. It's ideal for parents who want to engage their children in a STEM activity. What people say. The kit was easy to follow and made great lip balm. This kit includes high-quality ingredients for making homemade lip balm. Followed the instructions, everything came out awesome. Did this kit with my 10-year-old. She enjoyed it very much. Number 3. AMORIX 20-pack lip gloss tubes. Get ready to create your own custom lip gloss with our new tubes. This set comes with everything you need to get started. You'll receive 20 empty tubes in 4 stylish designs. That's plenty to experiment with your favorite colors and flavors. Each tube is compact and easy to carry in your purse or bag. Take your favorite lip gloss with you wherever you go. These tubes are made from high-quality, lightweight plastic that's safe for your lip products and built to last. 2 syringes are included to make filling the tubes quick and easy, minimizing mess and waste. These tubes are ideal for creating your own unique lip gloss, lip balm, or other cosmetic products. Unleash your creativity. What we like. This kit comes with 20 stylish tubes, perfect for creating and sharing your lip gloss creations. If you love unique packaging and want to easily fill your lip gloss tubes, this is the one for you. It's great for those who want to create a large batch of lip glosses with various styles. What people say. This must be my 4th or 5th time ordering these tubes. My customers love the bling and the product lasts so long. As described, came with everything: 4 different style wands, received the stoppers, 2 syringes, stickers and filling tips. Had a great experience filling them. Just follow instructions given, leaving 1 to 1.2 centimeters of space, allows the wand to go in easily and prevents applying too much pressure for the product to shoot out and make a mess. These wands are very beautiful and gives your gloss an elegant finish. These lip gloss bottles are beautiful, good size, leak-proof, great value, quality, and choice of bling. They seem to be durable too. Number 2. Cilrofelr DIY Lip Gloss Kit. This complete kit has all the tools and ingredients you'll need to create your own unique lip gloss. Let's get started. It uses cosmetic-grade ingredients, so it's safe and gentle on your lips. Enjoy creating your own custom shades. The lip gloss base is easy to mix with pigments, oils, or powders. It's vegan and gluten-free, too. With 10 empty tubes, you can experiment with different colors and glitters to make 10 unique lip glosses. Have fun expressing your creativity. It's a fun and unique gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a gift that keeps on giving. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to create 10 lip glosses. If you want a wide variety of ingredients and easy mixing, this kit is for you. It's perfect for those who want to experiment with different colors and textures. What people say. This was my teen daughter's first introduction into the world of making lip glosses, and this kit had everything she could have possibly needed. The kit's base and jojoba oil are really effective. It was easy to make and it wasn't sticky when applied. Great kit. Number 1. Creativity for Kids Lip Balm Kit. Get ready to create your own delicious lip balms. This kit has everything you need to whip up fruity, personalized lip care. With very cherry, oh so citrus, and mixed berries, the flavor combinations are endless. It's so easy to mix up your perfect lip balm. Personalize it. Nearly 100 stickers let you decorate the containers to match your style and mood. It's easy to carry around. The convenient carrying case holds all 5 of your custom lip balms. It's paraben and toxin-free, making it safe for creative fun. Get ready for hours of lip balm making. This kit includes a lip balm base, flavors, containers, mixing cups, stickers, a carrying case, mixing tools, and instructions. It's a complete lip balm experience. What we like. This kit offers fruity flavors and customizable cases for a personalized touch. If you enjoy fun, fruity scents and like to personalize your lip balms, this is the ideal kit for you. It's perfect for adding a creative and personal touch to your lip balm making experience. What people say. The lip gloss wax is a really nice consistency and moisturizes very well. The scents are fun and it helped there was a guide on how to mix the scents to make other fun scents. The lip balm kit was fairly easy to follow as I provided no assistance. She customized the lip balm case as it comes with a host of sticker designs. The kit comes with 3 flavors, very cherry, oh so citrus and mixed berries. It was a great gift for the crafty kiddo. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.